Alright guys, thanks for tuning into this video. As you can see from the title, you already know what happened. Quick story. Here's my friend. He came into the barbershop all jacked up. He told me he was at home, he had something to do, went to the mirror, started on one side, said, oh, whatever. Went to the other side, messed it all up, came into the barbershop. I didn't know it this time. To end up coming to me, and for me to see this is like, it was hilarious, I ain't gonna lie. But I'm gonna show you guys how I fixed it. I'm show you guys how to do a bald fade in this haircut tutorial. So let's get into it. So right here, we're starting off, this is the wall number 1.5 guard. And all I'm gonna do is I'm gonna run it across the top because that's what we're gonna fade into. And just so you guys know, a lot of this video is sped up on the parts that, if I'm just doing a 1.5 on top, it's pretty easy, just, continue doing the same thing. Or for parts that you guys should already know how to do. Alright, so right here, I'm using the 5-0 blade to bald them out. And I'm just going to bald them out all the way around the head. Make sure you guys keep the bald line even across the back because guidelines are super important for making the fade come out even on both sides. Alright, so right here I'm using the Bronze Series 9, best shaver out by the way, to just make it a little bit more blended. So I'm just going to go on the bottom where I balded them out, and I'm going to leave about maybe like a 1/2 inch from where his first guideline is, and I'm going to go up to it, bald all the rest of it out underneath. And then right there where I left that 1/2 inch, I'm just gonna flick out just like how you do like a regular clipper, just to blend that in so it's not a hard line all the way around his head. This is what I'm talking about blending that part out. You're gonna see on this side, after I get done balding them out and I'm shaving all the head, you're gonna see I'm gonna flip the shaper over right there, and I'm just blending it out, flicking up the line. So right here, this is gonna be, I adjusted this is the number 1 metal guard, but I adjusted it to cut like a 1/2. So basically this is the same thing if you use your wall guard or your wall clipper all the way open or your Andis clipper all the way open. And I'm just making my first initial guideline all the way around the head. Alright guys, so now I'm going to be using the 0 guard, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it up to the 3rd notch. I'm going to start to go up to get that guideline out, and then I'm going to open it up to the 4th notch, go a little bit higher, open it up to the 5th notch, blend the rest of it out. And what I like to do is I like to detail while I'm on that side of the head. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to open it, or I'm going to close it back to the 4th notch, and go a little bit down and get any dark spots I see, and follow that step all the way down from the 3rd to the 2nd to the 1st notch, and get any dark spots I see all the way down. Alright, so as you guys can see, it's all the way already blended in. Like I said, I was on the 5th notch of the master. I blended it all the way in. So now what I'm going to start doing is, you're going to see I'm going to start to close the clipper. I'm going to work my way all the way back down to get any dark spots as I see, to make sure that the blend is absolutely perfect. Alright, so this side, guys, I just gotta speed up. I want you guys to see me do it in, almost real time. And on the other side, my tutorials are gonna be sped up to where you can kind of see the blend come together a lot faster, so you guys can get the concept of how everything works. Alright guys, so for now it's going to be basically the same steps. To get that bottom guideline out, I'm going to use the clipper all the way closed. And how I'm going to do it is, I'm going to go with the closed, and I'm going to go all the way and try to flick that line out. And then once I get done with that step, I'm going to open it up to the 2nd notch, as you're going to see me do in a second. Then I'm going to go to the 3rd notch. By the time you get to the 3rd notch, if you're doing it right, you're going to basically have the whole fade almost blended in. Then I usually skip to the 5th notch and get anything dark that I see. Then I'm going to repeat the same steps of down fading and just detailing. And I'm going to go back down with the 5th, 4th, 3rd, 2nd, and 1st notch and make sure it blended 100%. I like this technique because I feel like you can't mess up, because you're getting all the dark spots at the same time while you're on that side of the head. Sorry for my voice, by the way. I'm sick, so just trying to get these videos out to you guys. But it's just a really simple way. You fade up, anything you've seen that might have been a dark spot, fade it back down and get anything that is a dark spot, and make sure the blend is 100%. Alright, so right here you guys are seeing, like I said, just updating you guys, little by little going through the notches back down to the closest position of the clipper. As you can see, those dark spots that were originally there are starting to disappear. And like I said, while I'm on that side of the head, I don't like going from one side of the head and doing the same steps on the other side, then coming back over here on this side and trying to detail, and then come back over here to detail. I like to finish one side at a time, make sure it's 100%, and then continue with the rest of the haircut. Alright, so right here, I'm already at the first notch. It's basically the same notch, like I said, to get that original guideline out. And that's just, like I said, this is super detailing, guys. This is how you guys are gonna make the difference between you know, a regular haircut and a phenomenal haircut. And this side, like I said, again, speeding up this side so you guys can see the process at a faster rate, so you can see the process you know, at a different way. Alright guys, so we're coming up to the end of the video. I just want to say thanks for watching the video. Make sure you subscribe, make sure you like, comment, share, do everything. This right here is before, when he came in again, when he jacked himself up, doesn't know anything about cutting hair, should have never did this to himself. And of course, the after. Let me know what you guys think. If you guys want me to still pump out these videos, let me know. I got my man right. I'll see you guys in the next video, alright? Peace.